Ow. Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol. Check my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers. I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayong kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binas nyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba-sobra loob ko. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? I saw my mom. My mom died. Nandun siya. Kinukuha na niya ako eh. Readmitted ako. I was vomiting. Delirious. High fever. They checked my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. My BP was low, 85/60. Dehydrated, sepsis, vasodilation of the artery from possibly E. coli. Ow. Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol.